Hey friends, if you encounter HID error 0x800703e3 update failed to install, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the profile for Windows updates. Then it will clear the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and then it will finally restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.